First trimester, the first 3 months of your pregnancy. It is most annoying, difficult, and crazy months of your pregnancy.
Yeah, and this is very difficult for your husbands as well, right? It is very difficult for your husband. Oh, what?
Can we read it?
Which part?
Your part.
Okay. So, this is very difficult for your husbands as well.
In this video, I'll talk about my symptoms, food habits, body changes, first trimester tips, test and scans we went for, and how much we paid. So first symptom is morning sickness. I don't know who on earth named it as morning sickness. It's whole day sickness. It's not restricted to morning. This make me nauseous. 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 Even your face make me nauseous. Morning sickness evolves. So if you are eating or smelling something and if you feel nauseous at that time, then same thing if you eat or smell, you will feel nauseous every time. Next symptom is like a tell that you are pregnant. I started eating lemon in everything. If lemon is not there, I'll add it or I won't like it. No lemon in it. No lemon in it. I can add lemon in it. Next symptom is mood swing. I don't think I had it, but Shiva asked me to add it.
Yeah, you had it big time.
No, I don't think.
Yeah, we had a vlog for this.
Okay. I started having milk twice a day. Have added nuts, added fruits in my diet. I was not having fruits that much earlier. And coconut water once in a day. Main thing is I started experimenting with veggies. Some veggies I used to like but I was not able to eat now because of nausea. And some I started but I was not liking it earlier, but I kind of like it now. For example, sweet potato. I don't remember when I ate it before pregnancy, but now I am eating it. It's healthier also. In first trimester, I was feeling tired all the time. In initial days of my pregnancy, my belly was growing, so I was gaining weight. But it was not looking like I was pregnant, it was looking like I was getting fat. Since it was too early to tell people that I was pregnant, so I wanted to hide it. So I tried different clothes that I will tell you in next section. Jeans are my go-to thing. But since my belly is growing, so I am not able to wear my regular jeans. So I tried this hack. Put this rubber band here. Just push it here and just put it back. So this will give you some extra room to wear that. So I tried this for like 2 months, but in 3rd month I was not that comfortable. So I skipped this and I tried some dresses with some frills and kurti leggings. So next tip is finding your nausea savior. It can be any food, any smell that can help you to overcome your nausea. So it's not just morning sickness, you will feel nauseated like every time. Better to keep it with you every time. So I found this aam papad which I used to eat. I used to take just a bite and I used to feel good. The next tip is record every consultation with your doctor. Since doctor gave us a lot of information within just 4 or 5 minutes, we won't be able to remember everything. So it's better to record and then just go back and see. So how we got to know about this tip? Since we are vlogging, we were recording everything. Sometimes there are times when we were not able to remember about something what doctor has said. So we used to play our recording and see. So it helped us a lot. So I use this My Calendar app to track my periods. When I first went to doctor, she asked me when was your first period. I didn't remember. I just went to that app and showed her. It helped me a lot. In fact, now also when I go for any scans, they ask for it. Now I remembered it, but initially. Second app I used is this What to Expect. It is very cute app. It tells about pregnancy week by week. It helped a lot. Like it tells about baby size with respect to fruits and what will be the symptom in pregnancy week by week and what will be the body changes. So if something unusual is happening which is not there in the tab, then we can consult a doctor. First trimester we went for 3 scans and 2 tests, and doctor consultation cost us 750 rupees every time. So first scan we went for was early pregnancy scan. It was not necessary, but we went for there since we were very curious. Since it was very early, so we were not able to listen baby's heartbeat. So doctor asked us to visit again in 8th week. So first early pregnancy scan cost us 1000 rupees. Then we went again in 8th week for early pregnancy scan, and it cost us 1300, and we were able to listen baby's heartbeat. Then in 12th week we went for NT scan and double marker test. So NT scan cost us 2200 and double marker test cost us 3400. In NT scan they just measured each and every part of baby's body. It was very cute. We have vlogged all these scans. You can go and check out our channel. We will be vlogging coming weeks of our pregnancy also, so please subscribe. And I know 90% of you all are not subscribing, so please subscribe. I am giving you time. Subscribe and like this video if you like it.